Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopify.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, two kitchen mat brands will be going head-to-head. We have the MontVoo Kitchen Mat and the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat. Kitchen mats provide cushioning for cooks and dishwashers while providing a sense of style to the kitchen itself. Having said that, investing in a high-quality and fashionable kitchen mat is one of the easiest ways to make your cooking space as functional and visually pleasing as it possibly can be. For today's video, we'll be pitting two top contenders, the MontVoo Kitchen Mat and the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat, against each other in a battle of style and substance. Both of these units have earned 5 badges from our team at trustedshopify.com, ensuring their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other kitchen mats that we reviewed, do check out our kitchen mat review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these kitchen mats will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size. Size is an important factor to consider when looking for a good kitchen mat. There are many form factors to choose from that are ideal for small or roomy kitchen spaces. It's also important to consider the shape of the kitchen mat since it brings out the compatibility with your kitchen decor. The MontVoo Kitchen Mat features a roomy rectangular size of 24 by 40 inches. This easily makes enough room for a kitchen mat or even a mat to be placed elsewhere in the home. With that said, the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat comes in a bit of a smaller size at 20 by 32 inches. Although different in size, it is worth noting that the rectangular design for both kitchen mats allows for a bit of a uniform look that makes the difference in size not so apparent unless examined side by side. With the MontVoo Kitchen Mat offering more surface area than its competitor, we are awarding it the winner of this category as it takes the first point. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their design. A kitchen mat gives you the opportunity to put your personal stamp on your space, so it only makes sense for design to be an important factor to consider when choosing one for your home. With that said, this category still ultimately comes down to the user's personal preferences. The MontVoo Kitchen Mat features an organized pattern and designs with colors that won't fade easily over time. Its beautiful knitted design fits perfectly in front of the kitchen sink, and many people may fall in love with it because it artfully hides dirt or stains before going to the laundry. On the flip side, the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat boasts a sleek and stylish design that'll bring comfort to your kitchen. Aside from this, it's professionally engineered and can be used as a padded kitchen mat for your stand-up desk and more. Although this is a tough call to make, we will have to go with the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat for its wonderful design that's both aesthetically pleasing and sound in construction. Having said that, it ties up the competition at 1 apiece. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their color selections. Most people choose kitchen floor mats that blend in with the rest of their house, although they want to match the tile or hardwood. They don't want to draw attention to the mat itself and have it accidentally ripped up. For this reason, dark colors are the most popular for kitchen mats. However, the colors should also not be too light, lest you want it to be easily noticed and get dirt quickly. As far as color options go, the MontVoo Kitchen Mat offers a slim selection of gray and brown. This shouldn't discourage you from the fact, however, that the colors in these mats are quite vivid and won't fade over time. On the other hand, this category is where the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat truly shines. With over 13 color selections, it has a color for everyone, whether you're a fan of neutral shades or bright colors. To be specific, the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat offers teal, beige, black, brown, charcoal, denim, gray, mustard, navy, red, rose gold, scarlet, and silver as the color options you can go with. By the sheer number of options, the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat blows its competition away thanks to its whopping selection of 13 colors. With that said, it wins this category and takes the lead in the battle with a score of 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their durability. While going for a kitchen mat, it is crucial to prioritize substance over style. After all, your mat should match the aesthetic of your kitchen without coming at the cost of strong material. The MontVoo Kitchen Mat features high-quality materials that will not break down or compress over time. It is lightweight and can be continually used for a long time. During our product testing, we also found that its braided pattern adds a certain sense of durability to the kitchen mat. As for the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat, it's nothing to be trifled with either. With high-quality materials and excellent build quality, the ComfiLife Cushion Mat core is thick and dense, and it reduces discomfort on the feet, knees, legs, and back while standing for an extended period. While the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat is quite impressive in its own right, we'll have to give this category to the MontVoo Kitchen Mat. For its ingenious braided pattern, it wins this category and ties up the competition again at 2 apiece. The fifth and final category that these two brands will go toe-to-toe with would be their ease of cleaning. Whether it's sloppy eating from your kids and pets or accidentally spilling stuff and staining your mats, kitchen hazards can be quite an unavoidable mess. For this reason, washable kitchen floor mats make it easy to clean off kitchen stains that would normally stain your floors. Aside from this, easily washable floor mats protect your floors from kitchen stains over the long term by making sure they're easy to wash after the said mess is made. Luckily, the MontVoo Kitchen is easy to maintain and clean. You can simply vacuum with a handheld vacuum and sweep with a hose to rinse the doormat. For a deeper clean, we suggest washing and drying it in the machine. As for fiber falling, you don't have to worry about it since the mat features a fiber locking technology that ensures the rug will be machine washable over many uses. On the flip side, the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat features a stain-resistant surface that significantly helps in making the mat much easier to clean and maintain. Aside from this, it's also waterproof and resistant to abrasions and punctures. Without a doubt, this kitchen mat was built with long-term use in mind. Although both kitchen mats offer unique ways of being easy to maintain and clean, we will have to choose the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat for its impressive waterproof construction and resistance to elements such as stains, abrasions, and even punctures. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of kitchen mats between the MontVoo Kitchen Mat and the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat. Even though it was a very tough fight, the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat beats the MontVoo Kitchen Mat by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these kitchen mats offer, there can only be one victor today, and the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the MontVoo Kitchen Mat and the ComfiLife Kitchen Mat has finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next kitchen mat face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.